Hello, good morning everyone. Today class will be class 10 and the topic will be pair of linear equation in two variable. So today topic will be pair of linear equation in two variable. A general form of linear equation in two variable is given by ax plus by plus c is equal to 0, where a, b, c are constant. This means that a, b, c can be any value, and a and b are not 0. A and b cannot be 0. So an ordered pair x, y, that is x is known as abscissa and y is ordinate, which satisfy this equation is a solution of the equation. So graphically methods of solution of a pair of linear equation will be geometrically represented by two straight lines, and there's three possibility arise. So number one, the two lines intersect at one point, and number two, the two lines do not intersect, and we call it as parallel. And number three, the two lines are coincident, which means that it lies on the same line. So to know it, let's try to solve it some problem. So if you see question number one, solve graphically the pair of equation, that is x plus y is equal to 5. This given equation, example 1, let's say, solve graphically the pair of equation, that is x plus y is equal to 5, 3x plus 2y equal to 12. Solution, let's assume that x plus y is equal to 15. 5 is equation 1 and 3x plus 2y equal to 12, equation 2. So now let's try to find some value of x and y. Some value of x and y which satisfy the equation are so to find the value of x and y from equation 1, we need to rearrange the equation, that is x equal to 5 and transposition minus y, and again from equation 2, x is equal to 12 and transposition minus 2y divided by 3. So now let's take a tabulation, or we can say table 1. From equation 1, let's make table 1. So for your easy understanding, let's write it down 3 times. X is equal to 5 minus y. Now let's try to put the value of y. First, let's take it 0. Y is equal to 0. Then 5 minus 0, it gives 5. So here, when we take y is equal to 0, y is equal to 0, and the value of x will be 5. Now let's take it 5. If we take y is equal to 5, 5 minus 5, 0, the value of x will be 0. So y, if we take, when y is 5, x is equal to 0. And again, let's take one more value. Yes, let's take 6. Then 5 minus 6, since 6 is larger, the sign is negative, so let's keep negative. 6 minus 5, it gives minus. When y is equal to 6, the value of x is minus. So to draw a graph, we need at least 3 values. So for table 2, the given equation is 12 minus 2y by 3. Write it 3 times. 12 minus by 3, 12 minus y by 3. So let's take any value of y. First, let's take it y is equal to 0. 12 minus 2 into 0 is 0. 12 minus 0 is 12. We get x value is equal to 3, 4 is 12. And the value will be, if y is 0, x will be 4. Now again, let's take it bigger number. Let's try it 6. 12. 2, 6 is 12. 12 minus 12 give 0, 3. So 0 is divided by 3, it is not defined, so we keep it as 0. So when y is 6, x is 0. And let's take one more value, and let's take it bigger value. Let's take it 9. 12 minus 2, 9 is 18. Now if you look at it, 18 is larger and the sign is minus, so we'll take it minus. 18 minus 12, it gives 6. Divided minus 2, 3 is 6, and we get x value is equal to minus 2. When y is 9, x value is minus 2. So now plotting the value of table 1, let's in a Cartesian plane. So let's try to plot it. So this is a Cartesian plane, that is graph, and let's take some line. This is axis and we mark it as x, and the opposite side is x dash, which means that this side is negative and this side is positive, and initial point is 0. Let's take it like this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9, and the opposite direction will be minus, and this direction vertical is y-axis, and we indicate it as y, side's positive, and downside will be y dash, and it will be negative. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, negative. So now let's try to plot the value. From the first table, let's see it. When x is 5, this is 5. Y is equal to 0. 0 means this initial point. This line is 0. This is 5, 0. When x is 0, 0 is line. This initial point is here, so 0 always lies here. 0, x is equal to 0, then y is 5 is 1, 2, 0, 5. When x is minus 1, y will be 6. 6. This is minus 1. Now let's join this line. So joining this line, we get a straight line. Let's say that is a and b. And the equation is x plus y is equal to 5. Then let's write it down this one. Plotting the value of table 1 in a Cartesian plane, we get straight line. We get straight line AB. This is the graph of equation x plus y is equal to 5. And again, in the same Cartesian plane, take the value of table 2. Table 2, and let's plot it again. Point. So same Cartesian plane, and let's try to plot the value of table 2. Now, when x is 4, let's say this is 4, y is equal to 0. 4, 0. When x is 0, y is 6, 0, 6. When x is minus 2, y is 9. 6, 7, 8, minus 2, y is. Now let's join it this line again. We get another straight line. Let's say this is C and D. And the equation is 3x plus 2y is equal to 12. So plotting table number 2, we get another line, another straight line, ACD. So this is the graph of equation 2. 3x plus 2y equal to 12. So as we can see it in the graph, or say in a Cartesian plane, we see that two lines AB and CD intersect at a point. Say the intersection point will be around here. This is P and this is 2 from this direction, 3, 2 and 3. Therefore, the solution of the given equation, pair of equations given by x is equal to the intersection point x, it's f size 2, and y, the coordinate is 3. It's over. So let's try to do another question, one more question, which are of fractional. So example 2, let's say the given equation is 2x plus 3y is equal to 6, 2x plus 3y is equal to 12. Solution. So let's find out some value of x and y. This is equation 1, this is equation 2. And rearranging it, equation 1 from 1, rearranging it with respect to x or y. Either you can take it or y. Let's take x. X is equal to, from equation 1, x is equal to 6 transposition minus 3y by 2. And from equation 2, let's say x is equal to 12 by transposition minus 3y by 2. Now let's take tabulation. That is table 1 for equation 1. 2. Let's try to solve it the easy way. Let's do it this way so that you understand it well. Now let's take it. Y is equal to 0. 6, 3 into 0, 2. 6 minus 3, 0 is 0. 6 minus 0 is 6. 2. Dividing by 2, we get 3. So x value is 3. When y is equal to 0, x is 3. And let's take it another value. Say, let's take 2 instead of y. If it is 2, and this becomes 6 minus 3, 2 is 6, 2. 6 minus 6, 0 divided by 2. Since this fraction form is not defined, we take it as 0. So when y is 2, x is equal to 0. And let's take another one more so that we can draw a graph. So let's take it. Y is equal to, say, 4. Minus 3, 4 is 12, 2. So greater sign, negative, minus 12, so it will be minus. 12 minus 6 is 6. This gives minus 3. And when we take x is equal to 4, y is equal to 4, we get it x is equal to minus 3. And for table 2, let's say x is equal to 12 minus 3y by 2. Now let's take it, y is equal to 0. 12 minus 0 to 12 by 2, 6. When y is 0, x is 6. Take it 4. 12 minus 3, 4 is 12, 0, 2. 12 minus 12, not diff 0. Y is 4, 0. And let's take a smaller one. 12 minus 3 into 6, 2. 3, 2 is 6. 12 minus 6 is 6, 3. When y is 2, x will be 3. Now plotting this value of table 1 and 2 in Cartesian plane. X and the y this 1, 2, 4, 5. Since negative 1, 2, 3, 4. Vertical line will be 1, positive 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 10. And opposite side is minus 1, 2. Now let's plot the value of table 1 first. When x is 3, this is x direction. 1, 2, 3. Y is 0. 0 means this initial point. This is 3, 0. And when x is 0, y is 2. 1, 2. That is 0. When y is minus 3. Minus 3, 4. Minus 3, then 4. 1, 2, 3. Now let's join. So we get a straight line. That is a and b. And the equation is 2x plus 3y is equal to 6. And at the same time, let's try to plot equation for table 2. When x is 6, y is 0. 6, 0. When x is 0, y is 4. 0, 1, 2, 3, 0, 4. When x is 3, y is 2. X is 3. 1, 2, 3, y is 2. 1. Let's join this point again. So we get another straight line. Say C and D. And the equation is 2x plus 3y is equal to 12. So when we plot this value of table 1 and 2 in the Cartesian plane, we get two parallel straight line AB and CD. Two lines AB and CD have no common point. Hence, the given pair of equation has no solution, which means that in the graph, the two lines never intersect. So if there is any intersection line, any intersection point, there will be a solution. So in this graph, as we see, there is no intersection point. So it is parallel. So there, it has no solution. So in case of some question like 3x plus 2y is equal to 12 and 6x plus 4y equal to 24. So this one is equation 1, other one is equation 2. In this case, we'll get the same value in table 1 as well as in table 2. Suppose let's say if it is 0, 1, if it is 1, 3, if it is 3, 6. And same when we take this value, it will still give the same value like 1, if 1, 3, 3, 6. So in this case, the graph will be coincident. Let's say here, this first table, when we plot it, we'll get a straight line AB. And as well as in table 2, when we plot it, this value will get a straight line which is coincident with this one, D. So here, the line are coincident. So there will be an infinite number of solutions since the two lines intersect every point. So in this case, there will be infinite number of solutions, which means that there is many solutions. And for your assignment, let's see some question. Let's solve the following pair of equations graphically. So 1, 2, 3. So I hope you'll do well and submit it on time. Thank you.